Thank you, Yummy Idea, and thank you, chefs, for honoring us and recognizing our. Through this platform, we are known to on social media now. Before that, we were just known to our friends and family and our customers, but now we are known to entire world. I can say. So thank you so much for giving this platform and honoring us and recognizing our work. Thank you so much.
Like to thank Yummy Idea team कि उन्होंने हम जैसे होम शेफ्स को भी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है so that we can you know show everybody what we are and what we can do. And a big thank you to Chef Bhasin and Chef Gautam. It's a big honor for a housewife like me to be honored by your मतलब आप लोग ऑनर कर रहे हैं, इससे बड़ा कुछ भी नहीं है. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच.
लेकिन उस दिन जब हमारी लास्ट मास्टर क्लास हुई थी तो शेफ ने ही बताया, शेफ हसीन ने, कि कौन किस पर ज्यादा मतलब लोग अभी रिलाय कर रहे हैं, होम शेफ्स पे या बाहर रेस्टोरेंट्स पे या होटल्स पे. देन आई गॉट कन्विंस्ड कि यस, दिस इज अ वंडरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया. और मेरा मिंट आइसक्रीम को मिंट इज आंवला आइसक्रीम आना इस कैटेगरी में. थैंक यू शेफ्स फॉर like recognizing me and all the home chefs efforts. Thank you once again.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Tushar sir, and thank you, Radhika ma'am, for this amazing platform that you have given to the home chefs and future budding chefs of this industry. And by joining this app, my whole scenario has changed. Like in the COVID period, I have started my own kitchen from home, but it was not that great venture. But after joining your app, I got orders regularly, and from that point of time, my food business was flourishing, I would say. And thank you for your efforts and this app, and I would see you in future.